Welcome to our follow-up video where we dive into the fascinating world of mind movies. In this two-part guide, we will explore the process of finding inspiring videos and compiling them into a powerful mind movie. Get ready to unleash the full potential of your visualization practice and take your manifestation journey to new heights. Before diving into the technical aspects, it's important to clarify your intention and purpose behind creating a mind movie. First, we need to define your desired outcome and the specific areas of your life you wish to focus on. Having this clarity will help you find the most impactful videos to include in your mind movie. To help set your intention, you need to have two things. 1. A list of outcomes you wish to achieve, and 2. A list of emotions you would feel when you have achieved them. As Dr. Joe Dispenza describes, start by taking a piece of paper and drawing a letter on it to represent your purpose. For a new job, you might write the letter J. Next, draw 2 wavy lines around the letter to represent the electromagnetic field you will be producing with your body when you are watching your mind movie. Next, on the left-hand side, write down a list of 4 or 5 outcomes you wish to achieve. Be as specific as possible. Finally, on the right-hand side, make a list of the emotions you will feel when you have achieved your goals. To illustrate, here are some examples. If your goal is to advance in your career, you could draw a letter C with 2 wavy lines around it, and on the left, list things like more free time, travel benefits, $100,000 a year salary, managerial responsibility. Next, on the right-hand side, you might write down feelings like empowered, loving life, freedom and gratitude. It's important to always include the emotion of gratitude. Gratitude is the emotion that places you in a state of acceptance that attracts your desired outcome to you. The other key emotion to evoke, and probably the most important, is the emotion of love. When you project love into the field, it automatically resonates with you, making your vibrations of intention align with a coherent signal. Make sure you can feel these emotions from the heart. If you're struggling to feel these emotions in advance, try practicing heart coherence meditations. Dr. Joe Dispenza has some great meditations, which I have linked to in the description. Now it's time to consider the type of video clips you want to include in your mind movie. Staying with the example of your career, your movie can focus on visuals that represent success, confidence, and leadership. Use video clips that feature motivational speeches from successful individuals, examples of workplace achievements, or professional development tips. Visualize yourself accomplishing your career goals, and imagine the feelings of fulfillment and satisfaction. Ensure the clips you use align with the feelings you have written down, and make sure they are invoked deep within you when you view them. For those of you intent on improving your health and wellness, your mind movie should include videos that inspire you to what your future self looks like and how you behave. Look for clips that align with your vision, such as people in yoga sessions, meditation, or success stories of individuals who you look up to and inspire you. Envision yourself being fit, vibrant, and full of energy in your daily life, and make sure the videos you choose support your vision. If your intention is to attract or strengthen meaningful relationships, your mind movie can incorporate videos that depict love, connection, and positive interactions. Look for clips showcasing couples in loving relationships, heartwarming gestures, or inspiring quotes on love and friendship. Visualize yourself experiencing deep connections and imagine the emotions of love, joy, and companionship when selecting the clips. For those seeking financial abundance, your mind movie can include videos that symbolize prosperity, wealth, and abundance. Look for clips featuring success stories of entrepreneurs, images of luxury, or guided affirmations for financial success. Visualize yourself enjoying financial independence, financial stability, and the ability to live your desired lifestyle. Key point: make sure you also include clips that align with the outcomes you will achieve from giving back to others after achieving your goals, and start to develop the mindset of giving. It is universal law that you cannot receive without giving, so open your heart and be brave. Remember, these examples are just to get you started. Feel free to adapt and customize your mind movie based on your unique desires and intentions. The key is to choose videos that deeply resonate with you and evoke the emotions and mindset you wish to cultivate. In our next video, we will delve deeper into the technical aspects of creating your desired mind movie, but for now, take some time to prepare your goal, the intentions that relate to it, and the elevated emotions you will feel when your intentions have been accomplished. Practice feeling those elevated emotions at various times of your day. Until next time, I'll be with you all the way.